Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I know y'all are saying, I cannot believe she's at Walgreens. It has been forever since we have been to Walgreens, but Walgreens called me out the house today because I'm sure you guys have probably seen by now, we got a ton of new purchase-based coupons loaded to our accounts this morning. So if you have not already seen, go to your Walgreens app and check your household section. Y'all, we have at least 3 to 4, I think 5 off of 12, 5 off of 15, 5 off of 20 purchase-based coupons that I want to try to maximize today. So the first deal I'm going to start off with is a moneymaker deal on the Gillette razors. So these babies are on sale for $9.99 this week. And then when you buy one, you are going to get back a $3 register reward. So that's not an awesome deal offhand, but let me tell you where it gets good. So we have a $4 off digital coupon, which will make them just $5.99. And then you get back the $3 register reward. But I also have an older point booster for this razor that is 8,000 points back when I buy one. So the way this is going to work is I am going to buy one, use that digital coupon, and then get 8K points back. Y'all, these razors are going to be a 90 maker off top before our other Walgreens coupons are even factored in. So we're definitely going to grab one of these today. Okay, so the next moneymaker deal I'm going to do is on the Maybelline. So the eye products have great digital coupons on them. Most people should have a $2 off digital coupon. I happen to have an older digital coupon since I haven't been here in so long for $8 off of 2. Yes, $8 off of 2. So I'm going to grab 2 eye products because they are buy 2, get back a $5 register reward this week. And that is all Maybelline products. But I'm buying 2 eye products because of that digital coupon. So this eyeshadow is $3.99, and then I'm also grabbing a higher price item for $6.79 to get my total over $8 for that digital coupon. Both of these should total me up to, I think, $10.78. I'm going to use that $8 digital. That's going to bring my out-of-pocket down to $2.78, but we're going to get back a $5 register reward, making these not only free, but a $2.22 moneymaker. So these 3 items right here is going to be my first transaction. And the reason I'm starting off small like this is because I want to do a transaction to test out how these purchase-based coupons are working. I saw in the fine print on somebody's Instagram post that those coupons say that they're not valid on clearance or sale prices or deals or anything like that. So I want to make sure that they're actually working. These Gillette razors are on sale, so I should be able to find out pretty quickly whether it's going to work on sale prices or not. So I'm loading these coupons one at a time so that I can have control over which one applies. So right now I'm going to use the 5 off of 20 because this is $20.77 in merchandise. So we'll have this $20 transaction. I'll use the 5 off of 20. I will use the $8 off of 2 digital on the Maybelline, and we'll use that $4 off digital on the Gillette. So if that $5 comes off, our total out of pocket should be $3.77, but we should get back a lot of money. So we should get back $8 in points for the Gillette. We should also get back a $3 register reward for the Gillette, and we should get back a $5 register reward for the Maybelline after paying that $3.77. So this should be about a $12 moneymaker if all works well. So let's go see if that $5 coupon does apply. All right, y'all, we did so good. We just made $12 just like that. Let me show you how everything worked out. So there's the Gillette Fusion Razor, $9.99. There's our 2 Maybelline items, $6.79 and $3.99. Our 5 off of $20 purchase did come off on that sale item. Hip, hip, hooray. And we had the $8 coupon for the Maybelline. That digital came off. And then our $4 digital came off for the Gillette Fusion. Our subtotal after that 5 off off of 20 was $3.77, and I did pay that out of pocket. And I'll tell you why I paid that out of pocket is because that 8,000 point booster, generally those will not work if you use points on them, like you won't get it back. So I wanted to make sure that I got my 8,000 points back, and as you can see, I did get my 8,000 points back. So I got $8 back for that Gillette razor, and then I also got the $3 back for the Gillette razor, and I got the $5 registry reward for the Maybelline. Y'all, we got back a total of $16 after paying $3. That is what you call making money. So let's go on to transaction number 2. Okay, guys, so now let's make a little bit more money. So the Crest, this deal is a monthly deal, so it has been going on forever, for all month, and it'll still be going on until the 30th, but I haven't done it in a couple weeks, so I still have some very high value digitals on my account. So I'm gonna buy 6 of these Crest toothpaste at $2.99 today, and then when you buy 2, you're gonna get back 4,000 points. So since I'm buying 6 of them, I should get back 12,000 points. But I have a $7 off of 3 digital coupon that I'm gonna use, and a $5 off of 3 digital coupon that I'm going to use. So after those digital coupons are applied, my total should be $5.94. But we're also going to use that $5 off coupon, which should bring them down to just 94 cents. So we're going to pay 94 cents for 6 of them and get back $12, y'all. We're going to make another $11 just like that. All right, y'all. So transaction number 2 is complete. We just made another $11 in profit. So there is our Crest toothpaste, $2.99. We used that 5 off of 15. We used the $5 digital, the $7 digital. Subtotal was 94 cents. I just went on ahead and paid that 94 cents out of pocket, y'all. Let me show you what we got back. So we got back 12,000 points, just like that. Paid 94 cents, got back $12. That was an $11 moneymaker. Y'all, in 15 minutes, we already done made $23 in this store. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so now we're gonna get some free Olay body wash. When is the last time in my coupon life that I have been able to get free Olay body wash? I don't think I can recall a time, y'all, but we about to get some for free today. So the Olay body wash is on sale 2 for $12. And then when you buy 2 of them, you get a $4 register reward, I believe. They don't have the sign up, but I think it's $4. So we're gonna use our 5 off of 12 digital coupon. That's gonna make them 2 for $7, and then we're going to use our $4 off of 2 Olay digital coupon. That's going to make them 2 for $3. But then we're also going to get back a $4 register reward, which makes these babies not only free, but free plus a $1 moneymaker. We are getting paid to buy Olay body wash. Now, let me tell you, this would be a bigger moneymaker if I do it with the Old Spice. So the Old Spice would be a bigger moneymaker because it's the same deal. We have the same digital coupon for the Old Spice, but there is a $1.25 off rebate for cash back on Ibotta. But I'm not going to get Old Spice today. I am going to get Olay, and we are going to get paid to get it. All right, you guys, so our Olay body wash was the money maker that we wanted it to be. So there's our 2 bottles of body wash for $12. We used that 5 off of 12 digital coupon. We used the $4 off digital coupon. Y'all, our subtotal was $3, and we used points for that. You can use points for this deal. So I used $3 in points that we just made, and I got back my $4 register reward. Y'all, we just made $1 buying Olay body wash. That is such a beautiful thing. So now let me show you what we're going to do with all this money that we have made today. So now this is what we're gonna do with some of our money. This is one of the things I should say that we're gonna do with some of our money that we just took time to make, is we're gonna get some Tide laundry detergent. So these are buy 3 get 1 free. So 4 of them are gonna cost us $14.97. We have $2 off digital coupons, and then we also have $2 off paper coupons, which is gonna bring it down to just $8.97 for 4 of these babies. We are also going to get us some Scott toilet paper with our money. So these are $5 everyday price. But as you guys know, we do have that $1.25 off IBC coupon, which makes these just $3.75. We won't get anything back, but y'all, we just made the money. This is what we're going to use it on. So these will still be free for us today. Okay, you guys, so this is how we're gonna spend our register rewards. So I got 2 of the Scott toilet paper because my store does have a limit of 2. So I'm grabbing 2 of these for $3.75 each after our IVC coupon. And then I got 4 of the Tide liquid laundry detergents. I am going to use my 3 register rewards from our first transactions and 2 of the $2 coupons. And then I also have a digital coupon for the Tide. Now, it's going to be a little tricky with our $5 off coupon for this transaction because I think our $5 off coupon may actually be a 3 off of 15 from the wording on it. The picture has $5, but it says 3. So I think it's actually a 3 off of 15. So if it takes off $3, I think that my total will be $1.47 for all 6 items. And we can use points to pay for that because I don't plan on getting any points back. We are just using some of this money that we've made on the stuff that we really, really want, which is toilet paper and Tide. Y'all, look how we're coming out today for the free ski. So let's go up here and check out and see how this works out. Y'all will not believe what just happened. So I forgot that I had some point boosters. I had a 2,000 point booster for laundry products, and I had a 5,000 points back when you purchase, make a $20 purchase point booster. Well, y'all, those actually applied in this transaction. Let me show you how this actually turned out. So we got our 4 Tide liquids there. They're buy 3 get 1 free. So $4.99, $4.99, $4.99, and then 0. There's our Scott Comfort Plus. Those were $10. We had our $1.25 off IVC. So that was a 3 off of 15 purchase. So that took off $3. Then we had our 3 $2 Tide coupons. We had 2 of the paper coupons and 1 digital. Then I used my register rewards from our previous transactions. So that was a total of $12 in register rewards. Subtotal came up to $1.47. I just paid that. But y'all, look what we got back. We got back 7,000 points. We got back $7 in that transaction. We had a total savings value of 96%. $7 back, y'all. So I am ending today with 47,000 points. When I came into the store today, y'all, I only had 23,000 points. I am up over $20 from making these purchases today. This has been profitable to the tune of $20+ does not get any better than this. All right, you guys, so thank you for riding with me through these 4 transactions. Y'all, look at everything that we just got. And not only were these items free, I am leaving the store today with more money than what I came in with as far as points. So it does not get any better than that. When you come in, better than you left out. And we got all of these essential items for the low. We got Olay body wash, we got Tide, we got Scott tissue paper, and it was all free today. So get to the store. Use these $5 off coupons. Most of them do expire on the 30th, so move quickly and maximize your potential. I hope this video was helpful for you. Check below for written breakdowns of all of the transactions that we did today. As always, I thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.